Hello adventurers and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this is the fourth day of our adventure when we went to Canada. So it seems like it took 2 years really before I uploaded this video. However, last year I was able to download or upload the first part of this adventure when we went to Canada. So I'm so sorry for the late upload, but here we are back to sharing our adventures to you. So from our last stop, we drove for about 3 to 4 hours. Because this time we are going to Lake Louise. So it is one of the highlights of our trip when we went to Canada, because it is a dream come true for us to see the said place. Kaya po kami dumating sa area or sa place kung saan yung next destination namin. But then we forgot to make some research ahead of time. Kaya medyo natagalan kami na makapasok doon sa Lake Louise talaga. Kasi we found out that you need to go there via shuttle, or you have to book a hotel next to the lake. Sorry, ang ginawa namin was nag-book kami ng gondola ride para makakuha kami ng free ticket papuntang Lake Louise, sakay ng shuttle bus nila.
I get dizzy. Oh, I guess we should go right to that close one. This really makes it makes me feel dizzy. It's a long way down. Oh my gosh, there is so high, my goodness. It's very peaceful. I don't feel it very peaceful. Horrid. Beautiful background.
So first time ko at ng anak ko na sumakay ng gondola ride. So medyo tumatahimik lang yung anak ko, but then ninenervyos na yan. At ako patawa-tawa lang, but then deep inside talagang nalulula ako sa area or sa taas na kung saan kami nakasakay. And then yung napili pa talaga namin na sakyan is yung open, kasi itong asawa ko mas gusto niya yung open. Gusto ko sana yung close ba, kasi nahihilo po ako. But then, it was also a great experience because we were able to overcome our fear riding in the gondola. Kahit na kinakabahan na, tinatry pa rin na ini-enjoy yung moment na yun. Kasi, talaga namang napakaganda po ng lugar na ito. And then, I guess meron kaming nakita na bear na tumatakbo dyan, pero hindi lang namin na-capture ng video. So, tingnan nyo naman po yung background. Napaka-scenic talaga ng Rocky Mountain. And we had so much fun. Kahit na hindi naman talaga masyadong super enjoy yung gondola ride. Talagang hindi ako nakaget over sa gondola ride. Kasi, tingnan nyo naman, wide open siya. Yung iba, nakasakay sila yung parang may cage kami. Talagang, our legs are hanging. And then, you can really feel the Canadian cold. So, habang nakasakay ka, even though during that time, it was summer when we went.
On the top. So we're gonna go to the platform below. See and take a picture.
Nung nakaabot na kami sa pinakatuktok, actually hindi siya yung pinakatuktok talaga, yung parang halfway lang. Mas lalo kaming namangha sa view doon kasi lalo na nung nag-take kami ng picture doon sa viewing deck nila. So, I will be sharing to you some of the snippet of it. Look at that one. It was really beautiful. Parang halos maabot na ng kamay mo yung Rocky Mountain, but then you cannot really reach them. But then, pag nakita nyo siya, talagang mamamangha kayo kasi talagang napaka-unique ng beauty ng Canada. So, sa part ng video na ito, pababa na po kami kasi malapit na din yung schedule ng shuttle na na-book namin para papunta po ng Lake Louise. So, dahil hindi naman nasa plano namin na sumakay ng gondola ride today, so, yun nga, napasakay kami dahil yung way na to, ang paraan o ito lang yung paraan para makapunta kami ng Lake Louise. Kasi bawal po kami na mag-parking doon malapit sa hotel unless you are a guest to the said hotel that is next to the lake. So, I guess nandito na kami sa may... So, yung tawag sa hotel na ito is Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise. So, this hotel is just next to the lake. So, nung dumating kami, umikot-ikot muna kami and to familiarize the place. And sa loob niyan, merong restaurant at mga cafe na pwede mong bisitahin at pumili ka ng mga drinks mo or pagkain after mo nagutom sa pag-ikot dyan sa Lake Louise. So, when we were there, we were so amazed of the place. It was very crowded, too many people. I guess this is really a world-famous place. So, hindi lang kami yung may gustong makita itong lugar na ito. So, Lake Louise looks like this during summertime. And marami din gustong magtampisaw dyan sa tubig. Kahit na medyo malamig siya, pero tolerable din naman. And also, it's not only humans who are hanging around the lake. There are also this little guy in here who is not shy to the humans, of course. And he's so cute and adorable. You know? And I was able to capture that moment when we had our walk around. Parang hindi matapos-tapos yung pagkuha ko ng video sa Lake Louise kasi talagang namangha ako talaga sa beauty ng place na ito. Kasi para sa akin, nakikita ko lang sa postcards at saka sa mga calendars before yung lugar na ito. And I can't believe na makapunta ako talaga for real sa place na ito. And I feel like I am very lucky and my family that we were able to visit the place. And of course, we were able to hang around it or next to it. And also, talagang isa ito just like what I said earlier, isa sa pinaka-highlight ng trip namin. So, medyo hapon na and finally, nakaalis na din kami doon sa Lake Louise. And I can say, thank you Lord na nakaalis na kami doon and despite ng mga maraming obstacles, we were able to see the place. And so, after ng visit namin sa Lake Louise, dumiretso kami sa Banff kasi nakabook kami ng hotel sa Banff, and the next morning we're going to explore also the whole place. Kasi if Lake Louise is one of the highlight, itong band, ito talaga ang pinaka-target namin na napuntahan. Nag-drive kami ng mga 30 minutes siguro papuntang Banff mismo para mag-check-in doon sa hotel na Caribou Lodge. So, ito yung namin, magsistay kami, natulog kami dito ng isang gabi.
Okay. Hello, hello! We are on our 4th day in Canada. So, my husband is checking in our hotel here, which is, we will be staying in Hotel Caribou. So, it's 5 in the afternoon, and I guess it's time for us to rest because we've been driving a lot so far.
Finally, natapos na din yung pagka-check-in namin, and then we were able to found a spot for parking for our car. So, I guess guys, hanggang dito na lang muna yung vlog natin for today. And see you for our next adventure. Hopefully, hindi naabutin ng taon bago ko ma-upload yung narugtong nito ng aming adventure sa Canada way back 2022. Thank you guys for watching. See ya, and God bless us all. Thank you for your continued support on our channel.